Hey there, Tyler. That's right. Meta, the parent company of Facebook, has just filed this motion for summary judgment just within the past couple of minutes. This is in the long-running FTC antitrust case against Meta about its acquisition years ago of Instagram and WhatsApp. And in this motion for summary judgment, Meta is arguing that this case ultimately should be dismissed. What Meta says is the FTC's entire case centers on the consummation of two acquisitions in 2012 and 2014, both of which the FTC reviewed and carefully cleared at the time. Meta also says after extensive discovery, it's now apparent that the FTC cannot prove any of the required elements of its claim. This first ever attempt to revisit acquisitions reviewed and cleared by the FTC more than a decade ago itself threatens beneficial competition and is unsupported. So you can imagine here, Tyler, that the FTC will not agree with this. Just because you file a motion for summary judgment doesn't mean that you will necessarily get it. But Meta here is arguing that this case should be over and done with. We'll wait to see what the FTC has to say for themselves as well.
Do we know anything about the history of situations where the FTC or another body has seemingly approved a merger only to have that merger then called into question years later?
Yeah, it's a good question. I don't know the history of other bodies, but what Meta is arguing here is this is the first ever case where that's happened in terms of the FTC itself. Now, this case was brought in 2020. Remember that the actual transactions were in 12 and 14, so this was years after the fact. Once the Biden administration came in with a much more aggressive antitrust position than some previous administrations had had. It was initially dismissed back in 2021. It was refiled in August of 21. It survived an initial Meta motion to dismiss back in 2022. But here we are in 2024, and the case is still unresolved and ticking along.
And that's the key, still unresolved. The regulators move very slowly, and you're also starting to see big tech become more bold, right? We had that report yesterday of Google potentially looking at a deal to pick up HubSpot. That is something that I couldn't really imagine a year ago when they were under so much pressure. But the point is that they've been under pressure for so long, and the strategy from regulators has been mystifying, to be frank. So they're starting to operate as if they're not under all this pressure.
Deirdre, that's interesting because, when you talk to Biden administration antitrust regulators, as I have about this, they feel like they've really changed the calculus in the C-suite. They feel like, corporate executives are being much more cautious when it comes to acquisitions. They're thinking through the antitrust implications, and maybe they're not bringing as many deals to the table as they otherwise would have. What you're saying is they're actually emboldened. So somebody doesn't understand the other party here.
Cautious is a nice way of putting it. Creative is the word that I might use. Look at what Microsoft has been able to do in the Gen AI space, and some of Satya Nadella's comments about the partnership with OpenAI being around them, above them, below them. They're not doing all-out acquisitions, but they found other ways to sort of get deals past the regulators. And I do think that Google yesterday is an interesting indication of how they feel about this, and maybe the fact that the regulators still haven't had this big win. But this could also have important implications because we're talking more and more about even the European regulators looking at breaking up businesses, and that relates to Google's ad tech.
You know what? I know we're in an election year here, but I don't think the Biden administration antitrust folks see themselves as done for the year yet. I would watch that AI space that you're talking about, and also healthcare as possible areas where you might see more antitrust activity from the Biden administration before the end of the Biden first term.
Very interesting. Thank you very much, Eamon Javers.